Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. Today I am sharing a delicious and nutritious spinach and feta shakshuka. And what is a shakshuka, you might ask? Well, it is traditionally poached eggs in a tomato-based sauce. However, today we are going to do a lovely green version. And by green, I mean fresh spinach, leeks, and dill. It's lovely. You're going to love this recipe if you're looking for a delicious meatless meal, or if you generally eat lacto-ovo vegetarian. It's nutritious, simple, and easy to make. It takes less than 20 minutes to cook this dish, so it's important that you have all of your ingredients ready before you start. And leeks are great for braising. Just be sure to rinse your leeks well, as little grains of sand like to hide in the folds of the leek. And don't worry, I will have all the ingredients and recipes listed in the description for you. We're going to heat a tablespoon of olive oil, add in our sliced leeks, and some minced garlic. Sauté for about 3 minutes until starting to soften. Now we're going to add some warming spices like cumin and coriander, along with some vegetable broth. Season with some freshly cracked pepper, and then we're going to allow to simmer until most of the broth has cooked out. And now we're going to go ahead and add a small mountain of spinach. And it's amazing how the spinach will cook down into just about nothing. All right, we're going to give that a little squeeze of lemon juice. I have some cannellini beans here. They add even more nutrition and make this dish very satisfying for a meatless meal. Oh, and we can't forget some of that lovely fresh dill. Okay, we're going to go ahead and make 6 indentations within our braised greens. You're going to add an egg to each. And then we're going to sprinkle some tangy feta all over the top. Cover and simmer for about 5 minutes. All right, these have actually been on here for about 7 minutes, and you can see they're just nicely set. This dish is super nutritious, delicious, and simple to make. That's why it's a winner. So nice, served with crusty bread. It's really delicious, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a recipe. We'll see you again.